Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin mong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito sa XRP ETP. Yan, sapagkat ito raw po ay nagpakita sa Fidelity Investment Platform. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Yan, sabi po rito ay an XRP ETP from 21 shares has surfaced on asset manager Fidelity Investments web-based platform, sparking mixed reaction and controversy in the XRP community. Yan, isa daw pong XRP ETP mula po sa 21 shares ang nagpakita dito sa asset manager ng Fidelity Investments web-based platform. Dahil dyan ay marami pong nagkaroon ng halo-halong reaction dito yan sa community ni XRP. Notably, the official X account of the Good Morning Crypto Podcast shared a screenshot of the XRP ETP displayed on Fidelity Investments digital platform. Ayan, yung Good Morning Crypto Podcast daw po ay sila po yung nagpakita sa screenshot ng XRP ETP na nakadisplay po sa Fidelity Investment digital platform. Kaya yan po yung parang evidence or nagbibigay ng patunay na meron nga. The account touted it as a recent development, insinuating that Fidelity might have unveiled an XRP ETP. However, this is not completely accurate. Kaya yan, mukhang yung development daw na ito ay mukhang ang Fidelity ay maglalabas po sila ng kanilang XRP ETP. Ngunit ang sabi po rito ay mukhang hindi pa rin tayo nakakasiguro dito kasi hindi raw po ito gaanong completely accurate. Growing demand for XRP ETP. The commentary suggested that 2024 could be a pivotal year for XRP with investment firm Grayscale and asset manager Fidelity both offering XRP products. Recall that Grayscale recently re-added XRP to its Grayscale Digital Large Cap GDLC fund. The decision came on the back of the July 2023 ruling from Judge Analisa Torres declaring XRP a non-security. Grayscale had removed XRP from the product in January 2020 amid the legal battles surrounding its security status. The recent reintroduction sparked speculation of an imminent XRP ETF from the firm. Yan kasi noong yung kinasuhan po ng SEC itong si XRP noong nitong mga January 2020 ay dito po tinanggal ni Grayscale itong si XRP sa kanilang GDLC. Yan. Ngunit dahil sa nagkaroon po ng pumabor po yung judge na si Judge Analisa Torres. Ayan, dito kay XRP nitong nakalipas po na summary ruling nito at diniklara po niya na si XRP ay non-security. Nangyari po yan noong July 2023 ruling ay muli pong ibinalik ni Grayscale itong si XRP sa kanilang GDLC fund. Interestingly, amid the sustained discussion around the spot Bitcoin ETF, XRP proponents have continued to push for an XRP ETF, citing the asset's unique legal clarity in the United States. The purported ETP from Fidelity has sparked a wave of elation among these proponents, but how accurate is this discovery? Ayan, kasi meron na po kasing mga application mula para kay spot Bitcoin ETFs. Yan, pero ayan, kay XRP ay wala pa. Kaya marami pong mga nagsasabi na yan, kailangan po nilang mag-push or kailangan po na may isang mag-push para magkaroon ng XRP ETF. Yan, lalong-lalo na at si XRP ay yan nga yung pinakadahilan po nila ay may unique po siya sapagkat siya lamang po ang nag-iisang crypto asset na may legal clarity dito sa bansang US. Facts about XRP ETP. An investigation carried out by the Crypto Basic confirms that Fidelity has not really launched an XRP ETP. Ayan. Wala daw po, kinumpirma po ng Crypto Basic na wala po, hindi pa nagla-launch ang Fidelity ng kanilang XRP ETP. For the uninitiated, an ETP is a broader category that excludes ETPs, exchange-traded fund, and other similar instruments like exchange-traded notes. Simply put, all ETFs are ETPs, but not all ETPs are ETF. A simple search on Fidelity shows that the product displayed on the asset manager's platform is an XRP ETP launched by Ammon AG, a Swiss-based financial institution. Kaya ito po yung screenshot, nakikita po natin dito. Yan, si Ammon Ripple AXRP ETP. Kaya yan po. Ammon launched the XRP ETP, yan, na may ticker na AXRP in April 2019 to trade on public Swiss exchanges like the SIX Swiss Exchange. A year later, Ammon made a rebrand of its ETP investment line to bear the brand 21 shares. As a result, all Ammon ETPs, including the XRP ETP or AXRP, started bearing the brand name 21 shares. The Ammon XRP ETP is the same 21 shares XRP ETP spotlighted by the Crypto Basic in the previous report last November. While the product continues to trade, it is not an ETP launch in the US, nor it is a new one as opposed to circulating claims. Notably, the product is 100% backed by physical XRP, boost $51.3 million in assets under management, per data from a current fact sheet. Yan po ang 21 shares AXRP. Yan po yung kanilang fact sheet. Investment objective, nakalagay po rito. Yan, yung kanilang global classification standard, key facts. Yan. While not registered in the US, the product's custody service provider is Coinbase Custody, the choice of most asset managers looking to launch a Bitcoin ETF. Authorized participants also include US headquartered trading firms such as Jane Street. Kaya yan pong muli, kinumpirma po ni The Crypto Basic ang XRP ETF na ito kay Fidelity, at ayon po sa kanila ay wala pa silang na ila-launch dito na XRP ETP. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.